Namaskar and welcome to DD News. I'm Varun and you're watching News at 10. Before moving forward, let's have a look at the news updates. NDA celebrates after they win the vote of confidence in Jharkhand Assembly. All the 50 Congressi MLAs suspended from Gujarat Assembly by the Speaker. Defamation case, Mumbai High Court issues a bailable warrant against Surjit Singh, the Supremo of CPI-ML, against the case lodged by Anupam Kher. Path for Lalu does not seem smooth. For a case races Mercury again. Now, news in detail. Yesterday was the day of celebration for NDA, and in NDA especially for BJP, and in BJP especially for Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda won the vote of confidence with approximately 40 seats, whereas UPA sits back with only 37 seats. There was one more reason for Arjun Munda to be happy, and it was that his member Namdhari Singh Dinkar got elected for the post of Speaker of Jharkhand Assembly. Munda's government can have only 11 ministers, and it is a big challenge for Munda now to make happy his NDA alliance members as well as the independent members. Now moving towards next news, and the next news is from Gujarat. All the 50 Congressi members from Gujarat Assembly have been suspended by the Speaker. The Speaker took this action after they rose in a fight during the question hour session. The State Minister for Education was presenting a bill regarding the status of education in the state. At this moment, the Congress MLA, the leader of opposition, rose up and started insulting and abusing the Minister of Education, which led to a fight. The Speaker, with the help of his marshals, suspended the MLAs out. But the fight ended with the suspension of all the 50 MLAs. Now the Congressi MLAs have decided to go to the governor for justice. News from Mumbai. Mumbai High Court issued a bailable warrant against CPI-ML Supremo Surjit Singh against the complaint lodged by Kher. Kher lodged a complaint against Surjit Singh last year in the month of October, when Surjit Singh wrote about him as a RSS member. The court issued a bailable warrant because Surjit Singh was unable to make his presence in the court during the trial of this case. The path for Lalu Prasad Yadav does not seem very smooth. After the defeat in state elections, a judge yesterday in Supreme Court asked a question that under any circumstances or under any pressure, can the judge of the fodder scam be changed? This led to a huge controversy yesterday in the whole Supreme Court as well as in the Bihar Good. Lalu Prasad Yadav is trying to maintain cool so as to cool down the Mercury. This were the news, but before leaving, let's have the news updates again. NDA celebrates after they win the vote of confidence in Jharkhand. All the 50 Congressi MLAs suspended from Gujarat Assembly. Defamation case, Mumbai High Court issues a bailable warrant against Surjit Singh, Supremo of CPI MLA, against the case lodged by actor Anupam Kher. Path for Lalu does not seem smooth. Fodder case rises Mercury again. This were the news from News at 11. Keep on watching DD News. Thank you.